In 2025, we're producing more data than ever before. From smart devices to business analytics, every second adds billions of new data points. But how do we collect, process, and make sense of it all? That's where big data technologies come in. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 big data technologies in 2025, the tools that are transforming industries, powering AI, and defining the future of data. Let's get started. At number 1, we have Apache Spark and Apache Flink. These two technologies are leading the way in real-time data processing. Apache Spark is known for in-memory computation, high-speed batch processing, and massive scalability. Apache Flink goes even further, excelling at true stream processing, ideal for use cases like fraud detection, real-time dashboards, and IoT analytics. In 2025, the combination of these platforms allows companies to react to data instantly, making smarter decisions in real time. Big names like Uber, Netflix, and Alibaba are already using Spark and Flink in their data pipelines. Next is the rise of the Lakehouse, a powerful fusion of data lakes and data warehouses. Traditional warehouses were fast but expensive and rigid. Data lakes were flexible but messy. Enter Lakehouse architecture, which combines the best of both worlds. Tools like Databricks Delta Lake, Apache Iceberg, and Snowflake are leading this revolution. Lakehouses support real-time analytics, machine learning, and scalable storage, all on one unified platform. In 2025, almost every enterprise working with big data is moving toward this model. At number 3, we have AI-powered analytics and AutoML. The amount of data is too big for humans alone. That's why artificial intelligence is now being used to clean, sort, analyze, and visualize massive data sets. Tools like Google AutoML, Amazon SageMaker, and Data Robot allow non-technical users to build powerful models without writing code. In 2025, AI is not just enhancing big data, it's driving it. From predictive insights to anomaly detection, businesses are depending on AutoML to stay ahead. Number 4 is all about privacy. With regulations like GDPR and increasing user concern, privacy-preserving big data analytics is critical. Technologies such as differential privacy, which adds statistical noise to protect identities, federated learning, where models are trained across devices without sharing data. Homomorphic encryption, which allows data to be analyzed without being decrypted, are changing how we handle sensitive information. In 2025, these methods are no longer optional, they're essential. Big tech, governments, and healthcare organizations are adopting these tools to ensure compliance and trust. Finally, number 5, cloud-native platforms. The days of managing your own big data servers are fading. Now, services like Google BigQuery, AWS Redshift, Azure Synapse, and Databricks on the cloud offer scalable, on-demand data processing. These platforms allow teams to spin up pipelines in minutes, pay only for what they use, and scale to petabytes of data effortlessly. With features like built-in AI, auto-scaling, and zero downtime upgrades, cloud-native data platforms are the backbone of modern analytics in 2025. So let's recap. Apache Spark and Flink for real-time data processing, Lakehouse architecture for unified storage and analytics AI, and AutoML for intelligent automation, privacy-preserving technologies for secure data handling, cloud-native platforms for scalable, flexible operations. Big data in 2025 isn't just about volume, it's about value. And these technologies are making that value easier to reach. Which one do you think is the most game-changing? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more future tech insights. Thanks for watching!